is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cake, D is for donut, E is for egg, F is for flower, G is for grapes, H is for hat, I is for ice cream, J is for jam, K is for kite, L is for lollipop, M is for milkshake, N is for nut, O is for orange, P is for pizza, Q is for quilt, R is for raincoat, S is for sandcastle, T is for train, U is for umbrella, V is for vase, W is for watermelon, X is for xylophone, Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra.